Friends, I hope you are all fine. Today is a story about the lion and the mouse. So let's start. A big, strong lion was sleeping in the sun. A little mouse was playing nearby. It ran here and there and between the lion's paws. The lion woke up and caught the mouse in his paw. The little mouse said, "Let me go, please. I shall help you someday." The lion began to laugh. Ah ha ha. I'm so big and you are so small. How can you help me? But anyway, I will let you go. After a few days, the lion was caught in a net. It rolled and rolled, but the net was too strong. The little mouse heard the lion and ran to help him. It nibbled at the ropes of the net. The ropes began to snap, and soon the lion was free. "Thank you, little friend," said the lion. The moral of the story: no one should underestimate. Thanks for watching.